Bandits always popular early bird special for Monday, March 1st. If you're new to the channel, be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell icon. Bandits Premium plays weekly. $30 USD weekly package deal. Bandit record 28 wins, 9 losses, 76% winners. That's with 4-0 UFC. Hockey Guy 28 wins, 9 losses, 76% winners. Since start of package deals, February 6th. Team Bandit 30 wins, 8 losses. The last 18 days since Wednesday, February 10th, 30 wins, 8 losses, 79% winners. Team Bandit, 14 wins, 1 loss in the last 8 days, 93% winners. That's not including Hockey Guys over-under, 4-1. That's 18-2 in the last 8 days. Bandits Premium Play, weekly $30 USD package deal. Early Bird Special. Bandits Weekly Package Deal sold out. Only 10 VIP seats available on Bandits Weekly Premium Play. Silver Bullet Express Money Train. You call in these pro cappers with your credit card. Ask for a weekly or monthly package deal. They tell you it's sold out. Restricted. Man, it's the only professionally paid capper in the world with a restricted weekly, monthly package deal. And it's sold out. You can't buy one. Sold out. What do you expect with a 76% winning record by Bandit, 76% winning record by Hockey Guy, 14-1 in the last 8 days, 93%, 30-8. 30 wins, 8 losses, 79% since Wednesday, February 10th. Hockey Guy, 4-1, over-unders. UFC, Bandit, since February 6th. UFC 4-0, all for $30 USD. Weekly package deal. Not $30 a day, $30 a week. And it's sold out. Restricted to 10 VIP seats on the Silver Bullet Express Premium Play. Bandit Money Train is rolling. 18-2 in the last 8 days. All right. Early Bird Special. Florida International versus Western Kentucky. Bandits playing Florida International plus 16 points. Take the points, plus 16, Florida International. Bandit usually wins the early bird special or the late night special, wins one of them. So all you gotta do is figure out which one Bandit's gonna win each day. And you'll have like 80% winners. So, Florida International, Western Kentucky, Bandit's gonna win. Arizona versus Oregon, that's the late night special game. Bandit's gonna win that game. Which one? Fade one. Fade one. Or pick the winner with Bandit one. Want to make her out?